Let's talk about the latest WhatsApp updates. Favorites. Simply put, it's a way to bookmark your most important chats and take your favorite contacts to the top of your chat list. Once you've added contacts to your favorites, you can quickly find them. Favorites keep everything neatly organized and easily accessible. No more stress about losing important messages or wasting time searching through endless conversations. The good thing is you can add anyone to your chat list. It is unlimited, unlike chat pinning that allows you to pin up to 3 conversations to the top of the chat. So how do you use favorites? There are 2 ways to add a chat to favorites. The first way, open your WhatsApp. At the top, click on favorites, click on add to favorites, and select the contacts you want to add to favorites. The second way is by long pressing on the chat from the chat tab. Click on add to favorites and your chat is now on favorites. And that's it. Do you think favorites is going to change the way you use WhatsApp? Let us know in the comment section. See you in the next video. Until next time, stay innovative.